Once upon a time, there were three little pigs, Oinky, Doinky, and Boinky, who lived in the forest with their mother. One day, their mother told them, "You are all old enough to be still living with me. Go and build houses for yourselves. Just remember, there's a big bad wolf up there, so be careful and make your houses strong." "Yes, mother," answered the three little pigs. "We will be ready for the wolf." Oinky, the oldest pig, was so lazy to build a house, so he thought of making a house that is easy to build. "I'll make a house out of straw," said Oinky. "It's easy to build, and I will be able to have my own house in no time. It will also give me more time to sleep." So Oinky collected some straw and made his house. Doinky, the second pig, likes to play a lot, so he thought of making a house that's fun to make. "I'll make a house out of sticks," said Doinky. "That would be just like the playhouse I used to make when I was still a piglet, but this time it would be bigger." So Doinky collected some sticks and made his house. Boinky, the third little pig, was very much concerned with the house he was to make. He was clever enough to know that the big bad wolf was very strong, so he thought of making a house of bricks. "I'll make a house out of bricks," said Doinky. "I'm sure that the wolf would not able to blow it down." So Boinky, the clever pig, made his house of bricks. One day, Oinky was outside his house of straw when the big bad wolf came. Oinky quickly went into his house and locked the door. The big bad wolf knocked and knocked. Little pig, let me come in," cried the wolf. But the first little pig replied, "No, no, by the hair of my chinny chin chin, I will not let you in. Then I'll huff and I'll puff and I'll blow your house away," shouted the wolf. The big bad wolf blew away the little house of straw, and Oinky ran away to Doinky's house of sticks. The wolf laughed and said, "Do you think you could get away from me? I'll get you wherever you may hide." The following day, the big bad wolf passed by Doinky's house